Welcome back to YTM guys, this is Mahesh and you're watching Yellow Tech Mahesh. In this video, I'm gonna just unbox and review on this Wings Touch True Wireless Earbuds. Okay, let's unbox. Okay, this is a box we get and let me just open it. We'll get this one. Okay, and there are two things. This is the earbuds charging case and also one accessories. Okay, let me just show you this accessories first. This is accessories. Let me just open it. This we have some charging earbud hooks and also maybe this charging wire. These are the earbud hooks, and also for according to our comfort we can replace this. We get three sizes. One is for the earbuds which are inside this charging case, and also two other sizes that is on here, and also this is a charging case. These are all included in accessories box. Okay, what you are waiting for? Let's open this charging case which contains earbuds. Here see, there is a button to open. It won't open like this directly. You have to click this and it will open now. See, these are the earbuds. And this is the charging case. These are the Wings Touch True Wireless Earbuds which works on Bluetooth 5.0 technology. And these earbuds, there is a mark here like L and R. L means left and R means right. We have to use in that case, in that order only. L is for left and R is for right. I'm sorry, L is for left and R is for right. And these are the charging points for the earbuds. And let me just open this and see here. For charging we will place here like this. Like this. And also if the earbuds are getting charged, it will show here, these lights will be on here. And also if we want to charge this charging case, we can use this, and we can get sense that if it is fully charged, this light will come, and there will be stages like that is one light one time and blinks, two times blink, third time blink, and four times blink. After four times it won't blink. That makes you our sense that the charging is fully completed and we can remove that. Let me just show you all this, no problem, and let's see these buds now. There is a blue light here, you notice or not, and there is a touch sensor here upon this. These two. Okay, let's first see the features. They have given here, see, five features, that is IPX5 resistant, deep class, up to 20 hours playing time, touch sensor control, and also HD microphone. Okay, let's test this earbuds now. Let me connect to my mobile. Okay, this is a mobile phone I want to connect it for. Let me first open this earbuds and wear it. Okay, in my mobile phone I will simply just turn on my Bluetooth. Just Bluetooth. it will automatically connect, or else it will show you the results for it. You can click here. See, I get the Wings Touch. So I can click there. It is connected. Once if we connect once, we can, it is not needed to click here like that. There is not much hard to connect this. Okay, after connecting it, we can play anything. For example, let me just open anything. For example, a video is playing here. We can pause it just by one tap. We'll pause there. And again, one tap. It's playing. And also, just any tap on any other bird, no problem. I'm just, to show you this, I'm just making for one bird. Like this, we can play and pause any video. And also, if we triple tap here, it will open the assistant. That is, if you are using Apple phone, it will open Siri, or for Android, it will open Google Assistant. Okay, let me just show you. I will just tap 3 times. Yeah, see here. It opens Google Assistant. And also, you can tap 2 times for changing of volume. 2 taps. Like this. We have 2 taps for changing the volume. That is for, if you make it for the left side, it will decrease the volume, and if you do for the right side, it will increase the volume. And also, you can play and you can skip this video. For example, if you double tap like this, the video which is playing is off, and it will play the next video like that. You can also do it for any, if you are hearing any music, or if you are watching any movies or any YouTube, everything. It will do, and it will work for anything. And now, these are the true wireless earbuds, and these are the features of this, and I think you understand about this. And also, one thing I want to say about this, I can't show that in this video, but I have already tested that. I have been using this for 5 days to make this video and also review for it. That is, this Bluetooth works if you are any distant from this. For example, it will works for around 40 to 50 meters. I have already tried it, but I can't show that in this video. But as I have tried, I am telling this. And finally, my review. Finally, I'm gonna rate this True earbuds, that is 4.5 out of 5. These are all the advantages I have told you, but I found one disadvantage while using these earbuds. That is, when I'm watching a movie, sometimes the voice we can't hear, and due to, I don't know what's there is some disturbance in this, and the voice will go low and go high. It sometimes happens not for videos and not for any songs, only for, I think, only for movies. That means long played videos, we can say like that. Sometimes, not very much, maybe in a 2 hours movie we can get 2 to 3 times. That's it. That's only the disadvantage I found for these earbuds, and rest of these are I very much liked it, and I rate 4.5 out of 5. And the cost of this earbuds is 3,499. You can buy it on from Amazon also, and also outside stores also, no problem. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching and enjoying this type of videos. If you want to enjoy this type of videos more, please subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. Thanks for watching this video, guys.